Solve the triangle having the sides given by A equals to 7, B equals to 8, and C equals to 9 units. Okay, let us begin. Now, as we can observe here, that the three sides of the triangle are unequal to each other, which means that it must be an oblique triangle. Now, let's say we have the shortest side of 7 units, which is denoted by the letter A. Then we have the next side B, which is going to be of 8 units, and we have the third side C, so that is going to be of 9 units. Okay, let's also rename the vertices of the triangle. Now we'll start with the side A. The angle which is opposite to that side, we are going to denote it by the letter A in uppercase. Then for the side B equals to it, the angle opposite to that side is going to be denoted by B in uppercase. And then we have the third vertex, which is the angle opposite to that of C. We are going to denote it by the letter C in uppercase. So our goal will be to determine the angle measure of A, B, and C. Now, in order to find out the angle measure of A, B, and C, we're going to take the help of the law of cosines. So let's quickly go through the law of cosines. So here we have cosine of angle A, cosine of angle B, and cosine of angle C defined as a ratio of the sides. Okay, so first what we'll do, we're going to compute cosine of angle A. So cosine of angle A, all we have to do is substitute B with 8. So we get 8 squared added to C squared. C is going to get substituted with C, 9 squared. C is 9 minus A squared, so that's 7 squared, divided by 2 times 8 times 9. So that is going to give us 2 over 3. Okay, then we have cosine of angle B. So this is going to be C squared plus A squared minus B squared. That means we have 9 squared plus 7 squared minus 8 squared divided by 2 times 9 times 7. So that is going to be equals to 11 over 21. And then finally we have cosine of C. So that's going to be equals to 7 squared plus 8 squared minus 9 squared divided by 2 times 7 times 8. So that's going to be equals to 2 over 7. So we have successfully obtained the value of cosine of angle A. So that came out as 2 over 3. We have cosine of angle B. So that's 11 over 21. And then we have cosine of angle C. So that came out as 2 over 7. But we need A, B, and C. So what we'll do, we're going to take the inverse cosine function such that A is going to be equals to cosine inverse of 2 over 3. Then B is going to be equals to cosine inverse of 11 over 21. And then C, that is going to be equals to cosine inverse of 2 over 7. Okay, so let's use a calculator. So cosine inverse of 2 over 3, so that comes out to be 48.19 degree. B gives us a measure of 58.41 degrees, and C, that is going to be equals to 73.40 degrees. Okay, so here we have successfully obtained the angle measure of A, B, and C. We can say finally that thus A, that's going to be equals to 48.19 degrees. The measure of angle B, that is going to be equals to 58.41 degrees, and C, that is equals to 73.40 degrees.